And we began tonight with a new Johnson & Johnson coronavirus vaccine. The new one-shot vaccine now set to be delivered all across the country. Julia Kaufman with our vaccine team tells us how many doses South Carolina is getting and when we're getting them.
The FDA gave emergency use authorization to Johnson & Johnson's single-dose COVID-19 vaccine Saturday. Johnson & Johnson announced they began sending out shipments of the doses the next day. According to CBS News, they're sending out about 4 million shots nationwide. DHEC told News 19 on Monday that South Carolina is getting about 41,000 doses in its first shipment. Dr. Edward Simmer, DHEC's director, says the nice thing about the new vaccine is
it's easy to store and it's a single dose. So it's much easier to use. And so we think that's going to be a big part of especially getting out vaccine to areas that are harder to get to or where people can't come back for a second shot.
Governor Henry McMaster says the Palmetto State can expect the shipment this week.
The Johnson & Johnson is supposed to arrive either Friday or Saturday. There won't be as much of it coming in the beginning as there was when they opened the door for the Pfizer and the Moderna. But the good news is we're going up with vaccine, and sometime in March we ought to have plenty.
As far as which vaccine providers will get the new shots first, here's what DHEC officials had to say on a media call Friday.
We want to distribute this as widely as possible around the state. It will be limited because of supply, because of quantity at the beginning, so it won't be able to be everywhere right away. But it is definitely our plan to try to spread it in a diffuse manner so that it can be an option for as many people as possible.
Johnson & Johnson says they expect to deliver enough single-shot vaccines by the end of March to enable the full vaccination of more than 20 million people in the U.S. In Columbia, Julia Kaufman, News 19, WLTX.